Welcome to Typewriter Minutes. One of our favorite things here is looking at all the cool paperwork and knickknacks inside of a typewriter case when you first get it. Today we're going to show you a little bag of goodies that we got in a recent Goodwill typewriter. The prior owner to this typewriter, before Goodwill, thought we were the best friend in the world. How do we know that? Because this keychain thing says so right here. It also comes with a key to lock and unlock the treasure box. Now, my assistant is going to use the key to open up the typewriter case. Not every typewriter case has a key with it, but if you do have it, it's pretty neat.
I've had a lot of Smith Coronas in the Typewriter Minutes family, but this one has more paperwork than I've ever seen together in one spot. I've seen different types of things like this, but not all in one place at one time, so we thought it would be kind of cool to show you what we got. First, we got an owner's manual for Smith Corona standard portables. Got cool little instructions. So you see these every now and then, but this one's kind of nice to have it in really good shape. We have a little, gift tag, a fine new portable for you from Smith Corona. It's got a 5-year parts guarantee and a lot of marketing hype on the inside here. And on the back, it shows you all the features. All steel construction, visible margins, removable platen, key set tabulator, impression control, 3-position ribbon selector, forward glide top deck, vinyl clad steel carrying case, 5-year guarantee, automatic repeat actions, on electric models only.
Next, we've got a little sheet that tells you what the page gauge is and how it works. We've already showed you what the page gauge is if you've seen the Smith Corona review. On the back, we've got some neat little notes by Doris Sinsaba. Apparently, she had a crush on Jeff Tunnerman. Wow. Next, we've got this guarantee card. Right here shows the details of the guarantee.
And on the other side,
we have the other guarantee card side, where we have little things where you can punch out the month and the year to show which time you bought it in. And this card is proof of purchase. Next, we've got this business reply envelope. What is it for?
well, you turn it over and it shows you instructions on how to get LetterX, which gives you sharp, clear copies every time. It's so convenient. It's a snap. New, all attached together, typing paper, carbon paper, and copy paper.
Next, we have a portable typewriter purchase registration card.
It says, more people buy Smith Corona than any other portable. It's got little punch outs for the date and questions about, is this the first typewriter in your family? Occupation of principal user? Why did you select this brand? All kinds of questions that you fill out. And then looks like this might be a duplicate green punch out card. It's got Deborah Ann Sensabaugh on the top. So that must be Doris that we heard about a minute ago.
Next, we've got another return letter to Smith Corona Corporation. Then you can learn the elements of professional touch typing in just 10 days.
And here's how you do it. You send in $3.95 and you get these booklets and records so that you can learn how to type. And here's a little advertisement down here for a Smith Corona adding machine for your home office, den, or dorm. And then on the inside, you have this groovy chick here in obviously late 60s, early 70s dress, where she's showing how happy she is to have a Smith Corona typewriter while she's learning touch typing in just 10 days.
Finally, some type notes from Doris Sinsaba. Apparently, she went to Riverheads High School. Today is Saturday. The SND 444, the, and. Tomorrow is the Sunday that we are going to go see our grandmother. My dog's name is Tippy. Tippy. And finally, we have the Made with Care Packed with Pride sticker with the 5-year guarantee on it and the original styrofoam.
This is to protect the carriage. It's kind of nice to have that in there still.
And finally, we wanted to say a big thank you to the Sensabaugh family from the Typewriter Minutes family.
Thanks for donating the typewriter to Goodwill.
And we will promise to clean it up so it can live a happy new life. This is Sam, wrapping up this episode. Now, please be our best friend and send us comments, videos, and pictures of your favorite typewriter knickknacks and paraphernalia. That's all for Typewriter Minutes. Be sure to share, link, like, and subscribe. Bye!